Welcome to English Speaking Practice.
Do you have a hobby? Something you love to do after work or school? Something that makes you smile? I do. Actually, I have 6 hobbies, and today I want to tell you all about them. My name is Rose, and this lesson is for you. If you are a beginner or an A2 learner, you are in the right place. I will speak slowly. I will use simple words. Just relax and listen. Let's go. A hobby is something you love to do. You do it in your free time. It is not work. It is something that makes you happy. Hobbies are different for everyone. Some people like quiet hobbies. Some people like active hobbies. Let me tell you about mine. One of my hobbies is photography. I take photos with my camera. I got my first camera 2 years ago. It was a birthday gift from my parents. At first, I did not know how to use it. I took a short class at my local community center. My teacher was called Mr. Hassan. He was very patient and kind. He taught me about light and shadow. Now I take photos everywhere I go. I photograph flowers, old buildings, and people's faces. Every photo tells a small story. I love that about photography. Another hobby I enjoy is cycling. I have a blue bicycle. It is not very new, but I love it very much. On Saturday mornings, I go cycling with my brother Ben. We ride along the river path near our town. The path is flat and smooth. It is perfect for a relaxed ride. We cycle for about 1 hour. Sometimes we stop at a small cafe by the river. We drink hot chocolate and rest. Cycling is good for my body. It is also good for my mind. After cycling, I always feel fresh and clear. I also have a very new hobby. I started learning pottery this year. Pottery is making things from clay. You use your hands to shape the clay. Then you put it in a hot oven to make it hard. I go to a pottery class on Thursday evenings. My friend Grace comes with me. We laugh a lot in class. The clay is very messy. Sometimes it goes on my clothes. Sometimes it goes on my face, but I do not mind at all. I have made 2 small bowls and 1 cup. They are not perfect, but they are mine. Pottery teaches me to be patient. It teaches me to slow down. When I work with clay, I forget everything else. Baking is another hobby I really love. I bake on Sunday afternoons. My kitchen smells wonderful on those days. I like to bake bread and biscuits. Sometimes I make lemon cake or banana muffins. I follow simple recipes from an old cookbook. The cookbook belonged to my grandmother. It has her handwriting inside. That makes it very special to me. When the bread comes out of the oven, it is warm and soft. The smell fills the whole house. I share my baking with my family and neighbors. They are always happy. That makes me feel proud. My most unusual hobby is stargazing. I look at the stars at night. I have a small telescope. I keep it by my bedroom window. On clear nights, I look up at the sky. I can see the moon very clearly. Sometimes I can see planets too. Jupiter is my favorite. It has beautiful rings of light around it. Stargazing makes me feel very small, but in a good way. The universe is so big and beautiful. When I look at the stars, I feel calm. I forget about small worries. Everything feels peaceful and still. My last hobby is a little different. I love visiting cafes to read. I do not just read at home. I choose a new cafe every weekend. I order a drink and find a quiet corner. Then I open my book and read for 2 hours. I read mystery stories and travel books. I also read about history and science. Every cafe has its own feeling. Some are busy and noisy. Some are quiet and dark. I like them all. This hobby combines two things I love: good coffee and a good book. There is nothing better. My hobbies are all very different. Photography, cycling, pottery, baking, stargazing, and reading in cafes. They do not cost a lot of money, but they give me so much. They give me joy. They give me peace. They give me something to look forward to. I think hobbies are important for everyone. They help us feel alive. They help us learn new things. They help us connect with other people. My friend Grace, my brother Ben, my teacher, Mr. Hassan, I met them all through my hobbies. That is something very special. Hobbies are not a waste of time. They are a gift we give to ourselves. So, those are my hobbies. I hope you enjoyed this lesson today. Now it is your turn. What are your hobbies? Write your answer in the comments. I would love to read them. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next lesson.